with my brother Diego. He ran with me because he lost the bet that we made yesterday. And if I won, he got to run with me this morning. And if I lost, I had to do, I think it's 100, 150 push-ups tomorrow, well today technically. But luckily I won the bet, so he had to run with me. We'll see if we make another bet tonight. Yeah, I think it went well. He's a little further than me, but I'll see his thoughts here in a bit. How was it?
It was good, dude. Not that bad.
I told you it wasn't that bad. I'm gonna fuck this up. I swear I'm so stupid. There we go. There we go, huge. With my cousin. We're at Walgreens right now because we're going to, I think, get some water, and he needs to find something. And then the activities in Sanse day 2 will begin. Yeah, we'll see how it all goes. What flavor you get?
Frambuesa.
Strawberry? No, frambuesa is what? Strawberry? That's not frambuesa.
I have no idea what that is actually.
It's strawberry, but that's what they call it.
The fuck? Is that strawberry? I thought fresa was strawberry.
I said raspberry, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think it's that.
Yeah, it's raspberry.
Whatever it is,
Yeah,
that's the flavor
that's
I want.
raspberry.
That's the flavor I want.
Yeah, so how do they know it?
Oh, it's just so good. Sheesh! That's a ton of shit. That's like all juice.
Is it a photo video?
It's a video.
Oh shit. Restart.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I'll just cut it. I'll just cut it.
I think I know Mr. Edit, right?
Hey. Bro, we just need to go down, don't we?
No, I know, but okay,
Just get the map.
no, I know where to go.
That way's probably less busy, no?
There's definitely, that shit's fucked up.
Yeah, let's go that way then.
Y para allá, y ahora para allá.
Yeah, that's fine. But yeah, there's an art place in there, so I went to go buy. I bought 2 pieces of art. I'll show them later, I think. I'm just, one's like, they're both in bags and shit, so. But yeah, it's really cool. We're going to the hotel now to drop off my art pieces, and then we'll get back and go crazy, I guess. Yeah, so over there is the Bacardi factory. It's really cool. I've been there once. They showed you like the tour and everything. It's really neat. And this is El Morro. It's like a fort that they built whenever the Spanish were like, I guess, in charge of Puerto Rico. It's a pretty cool spot. People flying kites. It's really cool. We left Sanse. It is like you walk around, you drink, you watch live music. You can buy stuff, buy art, whatever. But leaving was just a pain in the ass. Anyways, I got an Uber leaving there, but I ordered it to the wrong like area. So we're getting like food here, but we're still like 10 minutes away from where we're staying. So I kind of screwed that one up because I didn't know there were 2 different locations for this one restaurant. But it's whatever. So, yeah. That'll probably be it for the vlog. I'm tired, so I guess till tomorrow. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on?